Bro, these HRE wheels, bro. Ooh. Hey guys, real quick, I'm gonna show you the vlog. The trip was absolutely, I'm still shocked, surprised, excited till today. It was completely unreal meeting all these celebrities and just, it was the craziest. But anyways, enjoy the video. This episode is gonna be me visiting SEMA. Then the second part is gonna be me actually going to meet after SEMA. That was absolutely ridiculous. But anyways, enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Excuse my baggy clothes, but it is currently Thursday. We are on our way to SEMA tomorrow. I'm super excited. So I'm actually going to be picked up by my friends Jenzilla and Cena. They're going to come on a Tesla. I've never ridden in a Tesla. This is going to be pretty exciting already. But on some other news, I have officially passed my mortgage loan originator test. I'm super happy. I failed the first time with 69% because I heard the song Jenny 69, if you guys know that. So I had to get 69. But the second time, the meme was over, so I got 86%, which is absolutely insane. That means that we can finally get a job as a mortgage loan originator and start bringing in some dough. I have been unemployed for the past 5 months, bro. Just think about it. That's crazy. And I'm still over here buying intercoolers and charge pipes. And most of that is either working with my dad and YouTube money. YouTube has helped me a lot throughout these months. I'm just super happy that I passed the test. Let's head on to SEMA. I'm super excited, and let's wait for the boys to pick up in the brand new Tesla. Damn, Model S CEO status.
That's how we picking you up after you pass that test, bro.
Gotta fist pump it. I'll do the Stradman fist pump, bro. Alright. Damn, that's a massive ass screen. Holy shit.
You gotta watch your YouTube videos on it.
Bro, what the hell? What button? This right here? Oh shit. Brake with second gear full, second gear. Oh shit! What the fuck? Alright guys, we're here at the 7-Eleven National Car Meet. What kind of engine you got there, bud?
I got a
got a Ranjut. Yo. Bro, show me some mad dance moves right now. Guys, we woke up the next day. We were right here at 3 a.m.
Hey, guess what? Those two kids were sleeping in the back snoring. I'm over here driving late.
Bro, the trip was, I think, like 12 hours. Or a little bit more, actually. It was like 13 hours. Ooh. Oh. Bruh.
almost.
Welcome to Las Vegas, boys. Welcome to Las Vegas, boys. Bro, we just missed it, but that right there was TJ Hunt, bro. We just took a picture with him. Here's a little picture. How did it feel, bro? You just spoke to TJ Hunt, bro.
I know, bro. He bought my product, bro.
He's if you guys don't know already, he owns Dragon's Breath. Makes your flames turn green, bro. He's working on other colors, but anyways, TJ Hunt bought his freaking product, and we just talked to him right now. It was freaking insane, bro.
I didn't know he actually bought it, so that's why I asked him. I was like, hey, did you buy my product?
Bro, he just hopped out the taxi. I was like, is that TJ Hunt, bro? This shit's gnarly. Holy crap, bro. Oh, it's got 4 stars. Yeah, not a big fan of this design, but hey, looks pretty sick. Dude, the color on this is crazy. Yo. I want this to be my next color, bro. Holy crap, dude. This is so nice. This is probably my favorite Ferrari. Yeah, the freaking tail light, bro, is just insane. Look at these wheels. What is even this? Is this a 5-piece wheel or what? That is nice. Holy shit, bro, what an experience. Carbon barrel for you guys.
I like how it matches the interior.
Damn, that's money. How do you even get on top of there, bro? Elevator? And from tall we go to short. Yes, sir. Slammed Liberty Walk and Nazatech. Damn. Look at this. This by far has to be one of my favorite cars, man. That stretch is perfect, bro. I like it. I like this. Ooh, the amount of carbon on this.
Carbon everything.
Carbon everywhere. What is this, bro?
It's, I don't know, I was just looking at it.
It's
Aero stuff.
downforce.
Downforce?
That's what I'm expecting. Air hits it like this, pushes it down. When it goes higher speed.
That's wicked. I'm gonna add that to my G35. Just got functional vents for the tires. It's pretty nice. All right, guys. So far, we think we've been like to 1/4 of the SEMA Convention Center. We've seen some freaking sick ass builds already, and we're about to go to the central show where I think they have the main cars like TJ Hunt, Stradman's Bugatti, and so hopefully we get to see more of those builds. How do you like the show so far? This is the Lightning McQueen color when he upgraded, bro. When he upgraded, this is the Lightning McQueen color.
This is my favorite.
Oh my god, this is... Damn, it just gets better and better, folks. Look. Oh yeah. Bro, he's got ESR. Nah, just kidding, bro. These are the actual Boku's badge.
Oh, it's
What engine is this?
It's
RB26.
LS?
LS?
Maybe?
Sick.
Army, bro.
I know. Got bombed. Background that Mach-E has 1,400 wheel horsepower, bro. One of one in the world, and it's doing donuts over there, bro. That thing moves, bro. But even crazier is this Ford GT right here. Check this out, guys. The first time I see a G35 Vader in person, bro. It has the original Nissan/Infiniti Akebono brake kits in the back. Man.
Forged carbon.
Oh, look, this is on GTA, bro. What? That is sick. Bro, look at this G37, bro. These taillights are gnarly. I like the design they did with the hood.
Okay. Have you heard of fluid fill?
It's really nice. Holy shit. What is this? R33 Nismo 400R? 1 out of 50, you said?
1 out of 50.
1 out of 50, bro. It's got them Nismos. Damn. This thing is nice. Nice. Oh my god, bro. This color is so pure. I love this. Is it a stick shift? It's a 6-speed, bro. 6-speed M3, bro. This is the golden car right here. Here's Alex from Fitment Industry and his F430, I want to say? F430? F430. I'm trying my best to know my exotic cars. This thing's nice, bro. I love the back end of the 430s, bro. Just the halos, they look... Man, they're so freaking... Look at the license plate. 2 miles per gallon, LOL. Shit. It's like bigger than a Lamborghini. Like, bro, it's like a damn boat. It's so damn wide. Like, I wish you guys can see it in person how wide these cars are. And freaking engine bay, if I'm correct. Ooh, this thing's so nice.
There's no reserve on this.
Here is the Shelby Mach-E. What's interesting about this car is that one of my friends who I went to the gym with, her dad actually partnered up with Ford to create some of the carbon parts for the Ford Shelby GT Mach-E. So that's pretty interesting. That's pretty awesome to see some of the locals succeeding here with Ford. Oh, this is the Advent Racing booth. Cena. Bro, the GTs look nice.
No, that's the
Black chrome, huh?
That's the black.
Yeah. Yep, this is the TE37 booth. This freaking nice, bro. What TEs would you guys get? Oh, these are the, bro. See, now, are these the VSLs? There goes TJ Hunt again, right there, boy, with the C8 Corvette. That's sick. So I'm behind the scenes. This is so awkward, man. It's always funny seeing like another creator behind the scenes, man. It's freaking sick. I know you guys see this on TV and stuff or YouTube or whatnot, but seeing the behind the scenes is actually like a different experience. It's like, it just feels so weird. TJ Hunt's twin turbo Lamborghini is, bro, these HRE wheels, bro, how much? At least 12 racks. That's sick. The color looks way better in person, bro. Oh, watch out, sorry. No, sorry. Alright guys, so as you guys know, based on the banner, this is TJ Hunt's twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan, and as you guys know earlier, we met him earlier, and he's about to put it in the exhaust of this flame shooting twin turbo Huracan and spit some green flames. So that's actually gonna be sick. Let's go interview him right now, see how excited he is. Hey, on 1 to 10, how excited are you on him using your product? Like, that's a big accomplishment.
Yeah, it's a 10.
That's a big accomplishment.
I mean, like, look at his car. It's green, and then his exhaust is gonna be
green car, green flames, bro.
It's gonna be
like
insane.
from nothing to actually creating a product, bro. Yet alone a product for like the car community and shit, and like a big influencer like that.
It still doesn't click in my head.
It still hasn't set in.
Like,
bro.
I talked to him. Like, I was like, because when I got the order, it was like, did he really order, or is this someone like a fan trying to buy from him?
Like earlier when we met him, how did you feel when he said he just got the order in, bro?
I was like, I went up to him, like, did you actually order this?
Yeah.
And he was like, oh yeah, I seen it on TikTok. Like, yes, I ordered it. I was like, sick.
That is sick. Pocket Bunny 350Z. I believe this is also from TJ, right? Bro, all his cars have HRE wheels. That's how you know his baller status. He's sponsored by HRE?
Yeah.
Bruh. That's a whole notch on top of freaking Volk Ray wheels.
Bro, the Federals though, that's what I need.
I like how they tell you before you enter the stadium or whatever this is, they tell you to wear your mask. But everybody in here takes off their mask. How do you guys feel about the new Honda Civic SI, bro? On you with accessories. Check out the new BRZ, guys. It actually looks really good in person. On some Advent GTs that once again, right-hand drive, my guy. This thing's sick. Like, these cars hasn't even came out and they're already putting wide body kits on them. There's way too many cars out here. We're trying to see if we can find a seat so we could just sit down. But I think we're gonna sit down over there in the bleachers, where I also purchased like part of the SEMA Ignited, so where you can see all the builds that we've just seen leave the convention center, and so we can see the cars actually driving. But right now we're trying to find a seat so we can relax a little bit, because never in my life what I thought I would get tired of looking at so many cars. This is legit. How many cars would you say there's here? Like at least 500. You think so?
It's less, bro. I think there's like a couple thousand.
A couple thousand?
Yeah, bro.
And it's not like one of them is kind of crappy. Like literally every single car in this show is freaking crazy, bro. Like just thousands and thousands of dollars into your build, bro. It's crazy. Very nice M2 body kit. Freaking sick. Oh, this is probably where that R32 carbon one is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but we haven't seen it. That is sick. All carbon R32. Personal. It's got like, this guy on TikTok. That's that boy right there. Pretty sick. My boy's showing some more tutorial.
We're getting longer tips from this too, by the way.
Okay, so like you can kind of get to the end of the tip and just line a coat around it.
No, they kind of contour out, so it's better for thinner people and wider torso. Yeah, it's like similar to my.
Do you like them?
It's good. It's very similar to my Senna seat. Okay. So I get my 765.
You got a Senna too?
No, I have a 765. Not Senna. Yeah.
Because I'm actually sponsored.
Street Arrows car. You guys seen this in freaking TikTok where he freaking rips apart his bumper trying to take this out. Oh shit. This is. Oh my god, look at that. Motionless.
I love the pipe.
How many speakers, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Holy crap, this is beautiful. Alright guys, on that bombshell, we're gonna go ahead and end this episode, but we are going to a Las Vegas Origins meet. I'll bring you guys that next episode. But I just wanted to say, man, SEMA was freaking sick. Yo, bro, SEMA had so many cars, bro, and every single car was modified like crazy, bro. And one of the best experiences was like just meeting hella influencers that you see on TikTok, YouTube. Like, it's freaking sick, bro. Like, seeing them in person, like, it's just unreal.
OnlyFans.
Instagram.
Oh, especially OnlyFans.
And it's just crazy seeing like the behind the scenes of everything, seeing them in person. It was just crazy experience, 100% worth it. And I wouldn't mind coming back again next year. Hopefully we can come back again next year. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching the episode. I'll catch you guys next episode. We're going to that Origins meet, and hopefully we see some cool cars there too. So peace out, like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace.